Welcome the students of class 7. Today I am going to discuss the chapter 2, the new kings and kingdoms, exercise questions and answers. So let's start the exercise question answers one by one. So look at in the first slide. The first question is match the following, and in this question you have to match the two columns. I am directly given the answer here, so you just note it down. So the first question and the answer of the first question is Gurjara Pratihara. Gurjara Pratihara belongs to Gujarat and Rajasthan. Next one, Rashtrakutas. Rashtrakutas belong to Western Deccan. Next one, Palas. They belongs to Bengal. And the last one, Chola, they belongs to Tamil Nadu. Now question number 2, that who were the parties involved in the tripartite struggle? And the answer is the rulers belonging to the Gurjara Pratihara, Rashtrakuta and Pala dynasties involved in the tripartite struggle. So that's all from question number 2. Now question number 3, and the question is what were the qualifications necessary to become a member of a committee of the sabha in the Chola Empire? And the answer will be the following qualifications were necessary for becoming a member of the sabha in the Chola Empire. Point number A, to become members of the sabha, one should be the owner of the land from which land revenue is collected and should have their own home. Point number B, that one should be aged between 35 years to 70 years of age and should have knowledge of the Vedas. Now point number C, that one should be honest and well versed in the administrative matters. Number D, if anyone has been a member of any committee in the last 3 years, he cannot become a member of another committee. That the last one is anyone who has not submitted his accounts or of his relatives cannot contest in elections of the sabha. So that's all from question number 3. Now question number 4. And the question is, what were the two major cities under the control of the Chahamanas? And the answer is the two major cities that were under the control of the Chahamanas were Delhi and Ajmer. That's all from question number 4. Now question number 5. And the question is, how did the Rashtrakutas become powerful? And you will write that Rashtrakutas were the subordinate to the Chalukyas of Karnataka. Full stop. In the mid-8th century, Danti Durga, a Rashtrakuta chief, defeated his Chalukya overlord and performed a ritual called Hiranyagarbha, literally the golden womb, with the help of Brahmanas. It was thought to lead to the rebirth of the sacrificer as a Kshatriya, even if he was not one by birth. So that's all from question number 5 and the answer of question number 5. Now next slide, look at question number 6. And the question is, what did the new dynasties do to gain acceptance? And the answer is, for gaining acceptance, the new dynasties performed rituals to convert themselves to Kshatriya status. When the dynasties gained power and wealth, many of these new kings adopted high sounding titles like Maharajadhiraja or Tribhuvana Chakravartin. They also shared power with their Samantas and associations of peasants, Brahmanas and traders. Now question number 7, that what kind of irrigation works were developed in the Tamil region? And the answer is, during 5th or 6th century in the Kaveri Delta region of Tamil Nadu, a variety of methods were used for irrigation. Embankments were built to prevent flooding and canals were constructed to carry water to the fields. In some areas, wells were dug and huge tanks were constructed to collect rainwater, and they use the rainwater for irrigation. So that's all from question number 7. Now we'll go for the last question, that is question number 8, and the question is, what were the activities associated with Chola Empire? And the answer is, Chola temples often become the nuclei of settlements which grew around them. These were centers of craft production. The temples were also donated with land by rulers as well as by others. The produce of the land went into maintaining all those specialists who worked at the temple and very often lived near it. Priests, garland makers, cooks, sweepers, musicians, dancers, etc. In other words, temples were not only places of worship, they were the hub of economic, social and cultural life as well. I hope you have understood all the question answers. So that's all from the question answer session. And another 2 question answers given in your book, that is question number 9 and question number 10, and those are activity based questions. So that's all from today's class. Thank you for watching.